You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? This is a very interesting name of a figure of speech. Stay tuned for more names from literature that are interesting. Anyhow, two different ways of pronouncing it. In British English, it's normally said as litotes, 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 okay? Stress on the second syllable. Now in American English, it's generally said as litotes, litotes, with a stress on the first syllable. So litotes, litotes, or litotes, litotes. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.